We're well into the holiday season, and that means more travel and large gatherings with loved ones. But this isn't the only season we're in. It's proving to be a severe flu season. We're seeing hospitalizations hitting a 10-month high right now. Our Sedona Meadows heard from an Alabama health expert about the rise in flu cases. Sedona, what did you find out?
Nixon, I'm told that the country saw a rise in both flu and COVID cases after Thanksgiving, with escalating numbers of respiratory viral illness in the hospital. And this is not just among adults, it's affecting children.
While we are in a position where we can leave our homes and visit our families over the holidays, we want to make sure that we're cautioning everyone that that is still a period when you can contract COVID or influenza.
Recent data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimates the country has seen at least 13 million illnesses, 120,000 hospitalizations, and 7,300 deaths from the flu this season alone. In Alabama, the baseline percentage of outpatient visits for an influenza-like illness was 3.27%. Now it's almost doubled to 6.1%. This CDC map shows Alabama in a very high category for influenza-like illnesses.
The flu has actually been rising quite a bit over the past 2 months. And so we're noticing increasing cases of the flu, not only amongst the adult population, but also amongst the pediatric population.
COVID-19 is also continuing across the country with over 450,000 cases reported last week.
We have a rise in the number of children that are presenting to emergency departments and are being admitted, and our hospitals have been full. And so we want to do our best to protect our family members and our loved ones so that they do not end up admitted to the hospital.
If you're feeling sick, Dr. Marie Carmel Ellie encourages you to quarantine before spreading an illness to a loved one. She says those testing positive for COVID are recommended to quarantine for 7 to 10 days. Those with influenza to quarantine for 48 to 72 hours, making sure you no longer have symptoms before you go back out into the community. And before you travel this holiday season,
it is important to continue to mask when in crowded situations, and to consider, if you haven't been boosted with the COVID vaccine, to do so.
Health experts also recommend getting your flu shot. Back to you, Nixon.